Hello, this is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel Chitrakarma. Well, today I'm going to try a new thing which is new to me, and that is stone painting. Today I'm going to experience this for the first time. I have these stones with me right now and I'm planning to paint on two stones in this video. Let's see how it goes. Let's hope for the best result. Now without further ado, let's hop into this video. And also, if you are new in this channel, if you are watching my video for the first time, then I must let you know that if you are interested in arts, crafts, DIY, haul, interesting makeovers and vlog life, then you are in the right channel. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and also press the bell icon to get regular notification from this channel. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and also comment your reviews on it. Now let's start the video. So starting with the first stone, here I am planning to draw a landscape. So for the sky part, I am applying blue color first. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic color. Then white in the middle, then we'll blend it with my dry flat brush. Then to give it an evening look, I will apply a small amount of black here, then again will blend it. So for the field, I will go with yellow first, then a shade of green, and then again a shade of darker green in the belowmost part. And again will blend it with my dry flat brush. Here I will be applying yellow again, and then I will also blend. Here I am applying very small amount of black again, and again I will blend it. Now taking black acrylic color and my Brustro zero pointed brush to paint the grass part. And now with the help of this only, I will draw a tree. Wow, so this is how it looks right now. If you are liking this process already, please hit the thumbs up button. Now coming in the video. So now with the help of dotting tool, I am trying to paint some leaves. I am just loving the process, guys, trust me. So now with the same tool, I will draw the moon and the stars. All the materials that I am using in this video, I will link all the materials in the description box below. But you know what? I'm not still satisfied with the look, and so I will be adding some white to the scenery. I will be again applying white to the tree as well. Some yellow. Now it is looking more vibrant. Anyway, so now I have decided to make it a mustard field. So I will apply yellow to the field this way. And this is just my creativity of reverse in the editing part. And now some mountains and some coconut trees, and it's looking perfectly beautiful, isn't it, guys? Do let me know in the comment section below. And moving on to the second stone. So here I am planning to draw a sunset view, and for that I will be using red, orange and yellow color like this, and will put yellow in the middle, and like the previous one I will blend it with a dry flat brush. Now in the middle part, I will give a line with yellow and will draw the sun. So after completing the sun, I will try to draw the reflection over the water with the same colors. Here I am using zero pointed brush. Now with the same brush, I will draw a straight black line below the yellow line, and will draw some mountains like this. Following which I will give their reflection over the water. So after that, I will draw two coconut trees like this. some grass here and there and a boat over the water. This is actually look very beautiful. And now, to give it a final look, I am planning to add more yellow around the sun. See, now it looks better. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.